One, again, about these minorities versus indigenous people thing. Especially indigenous people, they don't like to be called minorities, whereas I think it shouldn't be or, it should be and. So you can rely on the indigenous people's rights and you can rely on the minority rights. So as Professor Ida said and other people say, please do. If you can, just make use of whatever there is. In relation to self-determination, unfortunately at the moment when states read self-determination, hear self-determination, they think of external self-determination, and more particularly secession. But that's not all what self-determination is about. It's also about internal self-determination, which doesn't affect external boundaries. So it shouldn't be sensitive to states. And I think it's also about awareness raising among the government representatives that self-determination doesn't have to affect the boundaries, and they shouldn't be always so sensitive about it. So I think that's, there we have a task also for us to make them see the light in that respect. Finally, in relation to equality versus special minority rights, I think one important point to be made is that equality is not only about formal equality, it's also about substantive or real equality. And in that respect, you can even deduce from the prohibition of discrimination, you can induce or you can rely on that to claim that there's a duty to differential treatment in relation to people that are placed differently. And that would apply perfectly to minorities, that are in a different situation than the rest of the population of the state, hence that would require states to adopt special measures to make sure that they also reach a substantively equal situation. I think that is often overlooked, that it's actually an application of equality and not an exception to equality, these special minority rights. That's it, thank you very much.
How are not children do? Yeah, we did in Geneva for all of this short time, where we did it at the UN and things like that for the minority forum and things. Look, you have plenty of children be there from all around the world and things like that. All kind of different culture and things like that. The cracky teeth with the same thing. See, writing thing, half of Beaver Tech. So, children, we got plenty of things for share. We're going to be coming up here, putting the show with the Gullah Geechee Nayshun Nyews and things like that for all 100 children that get it this year. We had some of the people from the U.S. Congress be there and all of them things. And people around the world be so glad if we know, say we the did it. And they represent who we do as the Gullah Geechee Nation. Because plenty of people never get it who we do for the day now, you know what I'm saying? So this year we one for history, one for we story, and everything like that. And we thank God for the chance for there. But we going out now for look around a little bit more for these your mountain and thing here, because thing up, you're high up like this year, you're flat down like where your 100 children are there at now. But we're so glad but let's have one more time for crack my teeth with you. So we're healing you, everything going well. We pray to God, 100 children stick with me. You know this year the Queen Quet. Peace and blessing everybody. How are the children do? This year the Queen Quet coming with the Gullah Geechee Nayshun Nyews from right here in Geneva, Switzerland. Yeah, the home of the UN and things like that. But no, say plenty of 100 children only think of the UN and you think of New York City. Well, right here, the women start off a long time ago, 10 years now, for come to UN for the first time and bring we culture to this year world stage. Well, after 10 long years, they finally got this year thing with deal with we people, the minority group then called we. Because see, as Gullah Geechee and things like that, the crack we teeth like this year, we call a linguistic and ethnic minority. And say, Hana have to be a leave it a number. And means say you to lead nothing. It just means say everybody else to make thing, and Hana ain't get a chance for make thing for Hana own self. So see, that's why after me become here, we form the Gullah Geechee Nation. Well, look here, when we come to Geneva, one place we love for there, right here, on this here lake. We done dance on this here lake and everything. And we dance for joy this here time, because we done finish up one powerful session at the Minority Forum. So me hope say Hana been a tune in and see all of what been going on. Now Hana child know we can't show you every minute what we did over the 2 days. But we show you plenty of things what powerful, and children plenty more to kind up. So Hana children know if I the Gwine, Hana the Gwine, and Hana Gwine know what going on. Peace and blessing, children. This year the Queen Quet, head on the body of we Gullah Geechee Nation way over here in Geneva. One more get.